don't know, what do we think of this hair? It's in a bun, so it's not cut off, but I kind of like it. I don't know. Just do that, I think. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Felice, if you haven't been here before. I do a lot of beauty videos, vlogs, lifestyle things, so if you like that kind of stuff, subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Give it a like as well, apparently. And today I thought we would be reviewing the new Morphe ChromaPlus palettes, I think they're called. I've got the Python code and I've got the Skyfi palette. We're gonna try these ones today. I'm really excited. I never go for really colorful palettes. I do have the James Charles Morphe palette. I just wanted to do something fun, and these ones have some neutral shades as well, so you could even just do neutral looks with them. I would like to review these today. Also, with the purchase of the Morphe palette, I bought the Morphe Solo Artist Priming Cream in AirPlay, so a nice light one that I thought I would use as like a primer. A bit scary with that though, I don't really know how to work these. Let me start opening this one and we can swatch it. And it's a really cute little pot, like so. It comes with a little seal, and it's so hot in here today, so I just know my camera is gonna overheat in about 25 minutes. So it's this really pale shade, which I thought would match me pretty well. And then I thought we could open the palettes and I'm going to show them to you, and then we're going to swatch them. Ooh. So this is the Python palette. It's like a little snake, obviously. So it's got a little sheet inside kind of explaining how the shades work. Apply dry for diffused luminous effects, apply wet for detailed molten like shine. So that is these ones here, these two in the middle. So these ones, they are beautiful if you apply them dry, but if you add some water to your brush, they're gonna be absolutely stunning. They kind of turn into a cream and they're gonna have that beautiful like chrome effect on your eyes. So this is Python, and I thought we would swatch this one before we go on to Skyfi. So I'm gonna go in with the lightest one. I'm just gonna swatch them quickly on my hand and then I will show them all to you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swatch these two in the middle dry first, and they're not as fun dry. Alright, so let me show them to you. So these are the swatches. The two closest to my hand is the two middle shades. So I'm now gonna put them on with some water. So you can tell already in the pan that it's kind of turning a bit creamy. You can see. So let me do it here. Absolutely gorgeous. Do the more fun shade. This one here. Swatch it next to it. You see that? Oh my god, absolutely stunning. So that is the Python palette. I am now gonna swatch the Skyfi, but let's have a look at it first. This is the Skyfi, and the design on these are absolutely gorgeous. Here we go. So we have some kind of like blue, pink and lilac shades in this one. I have no idea what looks I'm gonna do today, so I'm quite excited. I'm just gonna wing it. So this is the Skyfi palette. These two are the middle shades, the one that you can mix with water. So they are really pretty dry as well, but let's swatch them all wet again, shall we? And we'll do the pink one first. I'm gonna do it on the same hand. Gorgeous. It kind of looks a bit like champagne gold. Can't wait to try these on my actual eyelids. And yes, we are doing two looks today, one per palette, so wish me luck. Let's do the last one. Wow. Can you see how they glow? Absolutely stunning. So I think I'm going to start with the Python code. I think this is a really good kind of like autumnal one because of the kind of greens, and you have the brown. But I think I'm going to start with the, oh actually no. First I'm gonna go in with AirPlay and put that all over my eyelid. Shall I do it with, I'm gonna do it with my finger, warm up a little bit. And I am gonna use the Morphe palette as a mirror. What I love with these as well is that they come with a generous size mirror. Yeah, I've got a bit of the AirPlay on my finger. Yeah, that's good. Let me zoom you in a bit. Don't know if you can see the difference, but it adds a nice base. I'm gonna blend it out with a brush. I do have a feeling though, this kind of eyeshadow would be better to do before you do the base, but I filmed a little TikTok earlier with this base, so that's why. The only thing is that I'm worried about, because you know I have quite dry eyelids, so I'm a bit worried that it's gonna make my eyelids feel very dry, but we'll see. I do like it so far. Yeah, that's nice. So I'm gonna start with the lightest shade. Oh, okay. Not as light as I thought it was going to be. That's good. I have a better idea. Oh no, I don't know. I'm gonna do one on each eye. I think that's a better idea. I'm gonna do one on each eye so that we can see them next to each other. They do kind of, there's a bit of fallout coming out. I think that's how you call it. But yeah, this is a very nice base shade. I think I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade and do the corners. Ooh, that looks pigmented and scary. Yeah, quite scary. Nice. And then I would like to go in with this darker golden shade and put that on the outer corner. Okay, so this one is not that easy to apply, I find. Probably be easier to apply it wet as well, even though that one is not one of the wet shades. And the fallout is crazy. But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna spray this brush and see if I can apply a bit better with this gold shade. Yeah, I prefer that. A bit more of the dark one here, and then again the lighter one. Just blend that out a bit. And there you kind of have like a neutral way that you can do it, but I'm not finished. I would like to try something fun. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna put this here. Whoa. There's something different. Because what's the point with a fun palette if you're not gonna do anything fun with it, you know? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Very, very small brush. I'm gonna add a little bit of the gold to here as well, a bit closer to the waterline. I am going to go in with the gold bluish green one. So I'm gonna go in with this one, and I'm hoping it will look good for me to place it here. Stop. Can you stop? Guys. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful. Beautiful shape. Maybe I can grab some of that gold one here. Just so we use all of the colors, you know? So I've got the darker gold. I'm going to put the middle gold, and then I have the greeny gold. Now I just want to blend that out a bit. Not gonna lie, I haven't used these kind of shades before, so it is quite hard for me to know where to place them. Yeah, I think I've just ruined that now. Guys, I've just realized all of the shades are better with water. And I'm adding a little bit of that gold here in the inner corner. There we go. I'm going to add some mascara to this eye. Going in with my Wonder Skin mascara. And I think to finish off this eye, I want to go in with the Victoria Beckham and just line the waterline. Just to add a bit more drama. There you go. So that is the Python eye look. Not gonna lie, I am not a makeup artist, but with practice, I think this could look amazing. Let's go in with Skyfi. I don't think I'm gonna use this one. I kind of want to go for a more cutesy look on this side. So I'm gonna start with this lavender pink one. Woohoo! This is pigmented. Wow. I think I'm gonna put this over the whole eye. I want to go in with this shade here. Blend these together on this side to make this side a little bit more purple. Yeah, it really falls out. That's what I think, what I realized with this look, guys, or with this palette, is use water with all of the shades. But I do like it. I'm gonna spray some water and we're gonna go in with the pink shade and go on top of this pink shade that I've used. Okay, alright, Morphe. Gorgeous. And then on the other side, I'm gonna go in with the purple and I'm gonna blend them together. Stunning. Do I want to go in with this one and add a bit of dimension in the corner, or shall I just, you know what I will try to do? Because it's not that dark. It's not as dark as this one. Yeah. And then, you know, for funsies, I'm going to put blue on the lower lash line. Alright, let's finish this up, guys, because it's too hot in here and my camera doesn't like it. Also, I was playing around with the darker shade and I did like a little winked moment just to add in the darker shade, but I'm gonna go in with a wet brush and make the blue pop a bit more. Like that. Gonna take the pink shade again, this one, and add that into the inner corner. Just like that. Gonna add some mascara to this one. So I added the purple shade to the waterline because I don't feel like this look fits the black waterline. Alright guys, so that is the eyeshadow palettes. We have Python on this side. And then on this side we have Skyfi. I hope you enjoyed watching me fail with these eyeshadow palettes, but I'm still learning. I am not the best at it, and these shades were a bit tricky to work with, I'm not gonna lie. I think all of them will be better if you use a brush that you've sprayed water on, just to use them wet, but yeah, I think they turned out great and they do shine like magic. Let me know which palette you prefer the most, if it's the Skyfi or if it's the Python. I think I prefer this one actually. I do kind of like this different coloured look. I think this side is more of like more shades that you will use more often, whereas this is not very common. Yeah, let me know in the comments which palette you would buy. They do have 6 different palettes in this collection. They have a few neutral ones, they have like a warm one, a cool one, so I wasn't sure which ones I was going to pick up, but I wanted these fun shades. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I am now going to film a couple of transition videos for TikTok and my YouTube shorts, so go and check them out if you want to see them. I really enjoyed playing with these. So many more looks that you can do. You can make so many different kind of eyeshadow looks with these two palettes. You can mix and match from both of the palettes if you want to. Absolutely amazing shadows, very pigmented. The only negative thing I would say about them is the kind of fallout from them. I would recommend wetting your brush and using them that way. I think it would be better. I'm due to color my hair, as you can see, so I'm gonna do that soon. So in the next couple of weeks that will be happening. Also, a little update, you might see now that the background is finished with the new wallpaper and everything. I filmed all of that in my previous vlog of me renovating. I've also started a new vlog, a weekly vlog that will hopefully be up on Sunday, where I was showing you everything in more detail. So keep an eye out for that one. If you like these kind of videos, beauty, lifestyle, organize with me kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. If you liked this video and if you like these makeup looks, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you thought of the palettes and what you thought of my beautiful eyeshadow. I believe that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.